Hi, we are bringing about a series of videos of famous personalities, basically to empathize with them to find out. I mean, because this is a time where a lot of people are preparing for the examination, and there is some amount of frustration that creeps in. Okay, not able to make it for whatever reasons because of a lot of problems being faced, etc. So we'll get a few stories which could maybe inspire us. I mean, which could help us maybe to study a little bit more and maybe go about it. So today we're talking the case of MS Dhoni. I mean, everyone knows about him. He's Indian international cricketer, captain of Indian national team. So he was a captain, only captain to win ICC trophy, One Day International World Cup and Championship trophy. And he's known for his leadership skills. I mean, cool headed, relaxed, known for his leadership skills. But let's look at what happened before he really became a success. Actually, there's a movie on him. I'm assuming most of you all must have seen the movie. But anyway, let's look at it. So, in the initial years, Dhoni was a ticket collector. I mean, he got hired to be a ticket collector because of his cricket, obviously, and he used to practice cricket along with working as a ticket collector. I mean, so he had a potential, he had a talent, but he did not get into the team directly. He had to work as a ticket collector, wait for his chance so that he could get it. He could not devote full time into cricket. Not that he had the whole money, etc. He had to earn his living as well as play cricket. For 3 years, a complete 3 years, he was unnoticed. No one saw him. Well, he was playing, but he did not get to play any major tournaments. Not to represent India, nothing as this. So he was there, playing well, doing well, everything fine. He was working, etc. But imagine you feel you want to crack the best college, okay, but nothing is coming in. I mean, you're not getting the scores, you're not getting anything, no breakthrough coming in, and then you feel frustrated. What's the point of talent? Am I going to work full time as a ticket collector when my dream is to play for the country? All that thought process comes in, and 3 years is a big time in a sporting career. I mean, people normally get into the Indian cricket team at a very young age, but his peak years were spent on working as a ticket collector and waiting for a chance to get a chance to prove himself. He really got frustrated with his work, okay, but he did not give up. I mean, a lot of us, we do get frustrated, we do get give up as such, but he did not give up. He practiced every single day. So at 3 years which he worked, he practiced every single day as a ticket collector. Kept on going on to his goal. I mean, imagine maybe 1 year I could try, second year, but 3 years is a big thing for a sportsman. Look, unlike a career which goes on for many, many years, a sports career is not really long. So in that case, that 3 years matters a lot. After 3 years, he did get a chance to play against Bangladesh. I mean, you get selected, so he proved himself, but there he proved average. I mean, did not do well as such. When did he show? The next, when he played against Pakistan, he then showed himself as a promising player and proved himself. So what can we learn from him? Okay, we can learn that tenacity is very important. You need to keep trying. I mean, don't give up. I mean, obviously look at the options available. What is good? What is bad? See what is your potential and work on. But if you believe, go ahead with it. What he mentioned that process is more important than the results. So what he did for 3 years, he didn't have the results, but he went on with the process of trying to keep on playing till he gets selected. If you take care of the process, you will get good results. Remember that. So I have seen a lot of people, going on and on, ensuring that they tried till they get a good results. I mean, that's what is important. Know your goals, know your dream, and follow it. I mean, look at the alternatives, but do follow what your goals are, and that becomes really very important. So keep trying. Don't give up hopes. You still have time to go about it. Give your best shot, and I think you should be able to do well. Look at the inspiration, look at inspiring stories, and try to see how you get motivated to prepare for the exam.